How to make stronger relationships. It's a fact that the better the relationships, the more engaging, productive and profitable we become. 7 keys to building stronger and longer lasting relationships are: key number 1 and priority is communication, using effective methods of communication that rely on honesty and transparency along with openness. Key number 2 is appreciation. Be generous in giving appreciation, a genuine attitude of gratitude. A little bit of appreciation goes such a long way. Key number 3 is mistakes. We all make them, but it's the wise person who admits them and offers solutions to fix them. To build stronger relationships, there can be no blame framing. Address situations with empathy, as empathy drives perspective and this promotes understanding that leads to more positive outcomes. Key number 4 is active listening. When you participate in active listening and taking notes of what people are saying and asking those colourful open questions, trust in you will grow. Key number 5 is attitude. Your attitude is completely infectious to others, so please be sure to make it a real priority that the attitude you have is worth catching. Key number 6 is respect. Treat everybody with respect, creating a positive environment for everybody. Politeness, manners and courtesies will be appreciated by others and reflect well on you. Key number 7 is commitments. Ensure you keep your commitments. This is what builds trust and enforces your integrity. For more information, please visit www.sarahdalton.com.au and you'll be glad you did.